Hi guys and welcome. If you're trying to start your own business in Shopify, this video can be handy for you because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need to easily set up all the things to start selling on Shopify. This is a great platform. You probably heard about this very powerful tool of sales, and it's really one of the best in the world, and definitely you need to try if you producing some goods, if you try to sell some goods, or you try to start the drop shipping. It doesn't matter. This platform suits to all the people who wants to start their own business. And in this video, I saw actually all those 1 hour tutorial and 3 hour tutorials of Shopify, and I don't want to waste your time. So in this video, I want to make this video as short as possible with the maximum info that will be useful for you to start. So before I've started to show all the things and how all works, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access to this platform. So be our guest, use our link, we'll be appreciated about that. First step that you need to make, you need to start a free trial. It's 14 days. I just passed all these steps. I will not show it to you. I created a new account to show how the things looks from inside. It's really easy. You need just to type in your email address, password, and your store name. And your store name can be a little bit difficult because all the names like good shop, nice store, and so on, they're occupied, and you will not be able to start new business with the same name that already exists. You will pass all this easily, and it takes like less than 2 minutes. I will not show it to you. The platform will ask you a couple questions about, are you just starting, or are you selling already? You making this for yourself, or you make it for a client, maybe the design of a new shop, and so on. So just don't waste time, jump in straight to the dashboard. Okay, this is how Shopify looks from inside. Home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discount, apps, and online store. And we're gonna talk about all of this, about each of these buttons. So the first thing you need to do, as for me, is to set up everything, and only after you need to select a plan. The basic Shopify is $29 per month, 79 into 199. Actually, you need to choose what suits to you, what suits to the type of your business. Maybe you just start selling and you don't have a lot of income to buy like $299 per month, so you can start with 29. But it's better to set everything up, and after that, when you're gonna be ready to launch your business. Anyway, here in preferences, your website is protected with a password, and nobody can access to your website without a password. And to disable your password page, you need to pick a plan, actually. But let's start from the start. First of all, this is all 3 steps that you need to make: add a product, customize theme, and add a domain. Let's start from the bottom. Add a domain. Why this is important? Because actually from the start, your domain is dummy, actually, and everybody who will see your domain will understand that you're just starting, because it's my Shopify / okay. It's not professional, actually. And if you want to build your own brand, if you want to build your own online store that will be like professional and very modern, definitely you need a domain. Add a product and customize theme. So let's talk about all those buttons first. Orders, it's pretty understandable. All the things with the orders will be available here. Drafts, abandoned checkouts, and so on. Products, here's the spot where you will add new products, find your own products. There's inventory, and this is very useful feature for if you're selling some t-shirts, for example. And there's a lot of different types of size and color and so on, and shapes. It's gonna be very useful, and you will see how many of each you have on your stock and so on. Transfers, we didn't use it, but incoming inventory, it's very useful. Also collections, this is the spot where you can create new collections of different types of things that you're selling. It actually depends on the type of the business that you want to build and on the type of items that you want to sell. Maybe it's going to be the protect cases for iPhone, maybe, yeah, or this is clothes. There's a lot of categories in which you can start. Customers. Here you'll see all the information about the people who buying from you, and you can work with this information because you'll see all the purchase history, analytics. Of course, it's absolutely useful information to build your business, and if you don't know how to use all of those, there are tons of educational materials on the platform itself. And of course you can search for new information in the internet. Actually, marketing overview, campaigns and automation. Overview is total macro of your marketing campaigns. You can create campaigns from here, and all those will help you to make your sales more active and more often. Marketing apps, guys, there's an apps button right here, and this is absolutely amazing that you have a platform, you have an infrastructure, you'll build your own website on Shopify, and then you can add very useful applications like SMS bump, marketing and automation. For example, you can send messages to your clients, to your list of clients. You can inform them about the abandoned products, about the cards and so on. You can make a lot of things with your marketing campaigns using external applications, and there's a bunch of them. So campaigns, there's no campaigns for now, and automations. This all the automation will let you slip while your online shop will work for you. Discounts, from this spot you'll be able to create discount codes, coupons and so on. Applications, that's what I was talking about previously. Design, planning, shipping and bookkeeping, and you can use all those. Some of them are for free, some of them you can buy from, or not to buy, to add is free, and maybe there's a small fee on it. So sales channels and online store, let's talk about this. Sales channels, you see like point of sale, buy button, Messenger, Google, Facebook. It's free to add, but Facebook fees may apply. Yeah, for example, you can add more sales channels, and in that case more potential clients will be get. So online store, this is where the magic happens. Themes, blog post pages, navigation, domains and preferences. Let's jump to preferences first. Title and meta description. This is all very important to set up first before you go live, because homepage title is important to SEO, yeah, to search engines, and the description also. Social sharing image. You can add a banner of your online shop here, and page title, and so the information that you need to provide to share all things in social media, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, customer privacy and password protection. I showed you this previously. So let's jump to themes. Your current theme from the start is the debut, and actually I suggest you to use not the default theme, because all the people who are buying on Shopify, they gonna know on the same moment that you like just starting and you using the default theme. It's not professional as for me, but you can use anything that you want, and there's a theme library. You can visit theme store and buy some ready pre-built themes, or you can explore free themes. Let's see on them: simple, boundless, venture, and so on. It doesn't matter which one you're gonna choose. It's up to you. It depends on the type of your business and type of the products that you're selling and so on, but the editing features are pretty the same, and everything will happen the same way. This is the editor actually, and it's a little bit unusual because there's no drag and drop features here at all. Like everything what can be changed with this left hand menu, but the structure is the same as for any of website building platforms. It's actually sections, and each section contains some images, videos, text, and so on, but everything is happening here in the left hand menu and not drag and drop. Of course, you can change all the images. You can select the image from your computer, or you can explore free images, and there's a lot of categories, and there's a lot of like in tech, for example, it's free stock images that you can use absolutely for free. Maybe you're just starting your business and you don't have money or opportunity to create your own content. And of course, it depends on the type of business that you're running. Maybe you will sell some, I don't know, techie stuff. But we're talking about the editor right now. And there's a lot of things to change, to play with, and you can make all your website looks as you wish, actually. It's not drag and drop, it's unusual, but everything is changeable and everything is like pretty customizable here. And you can play around with all this, but the problem is you can't move the text on the picture. You can't make it like very big or small like in other website building platforms. It's just simple, it's straight, but it makes this this process a little bit easier and not so complicated as you can see in all of external and extra website building platforms. So everything is changing very easy. The text is here, and like just dummy things, I'm just showing you that everything is happening fast and easy. You can make section invisible, or you can remove the section itself. I will not do that. For example, testimonials or gallery, I don't want this gallery to be here. So from this spot you cannot delete the sections. You need to delete the section. You need to jump into the section and press the remove. Yeah, or you can add a section that you want. For example, you need a map if you have a physical store and you start selling via Shopify, and then you need to add some map or newsletter or product. So there are pre-made sections, you can use them. All the editing features are pretty the same, and you can move them around. For example, image with text overlay, I want it to be the second section, and here you go. Yeah, or image with a text, and you just moving those around and it's happening. All the descriptions, all the pictures, it's of course up to you, because I don't know which business you're trying to start, but the editing features are pretty the same, and it will take about, I don't know, a couple hours maybe to set up all the things in this editor. But it's pretty easy, and if you have a content, it's much better than if you're gonna use the stock photos. But if you have no choice, of course you can use all those to set up. And as I told you, here in preferences, you need to take care about all the things before you'll go live. And of course, you will not go live without plan updated. So build up your website first, and then choose which suits to you, and just start selling. This is very powerful platform. This is very great place to start selling if you have product line, if you have couple things to sell. Maybe it's t-shirts, shirts, and I don't know, bags and backpacks, so on. And you can sort them, you can create collections, you can make a lot of things with this site, and definitely you need to try. So I wish you big profits, I wish you to set up fast, and I wish you to go live with your website and get your first clients. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed, hope this was useful, and I want to remind you one more time that the link is in the description panel of this video. So I wish you good luck in all your ideas about your business. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.